everyone, this is Professor Kishbaugh. I want to go over a couple things in the course. There's been a lot of questions from a lot of you in relation to the new look of the course, questions on Mindtap, and questions on the module. So give me just a couple of minutes here and I'll go through a few things for you that should help you answer your questions. If you still have questions, send me an email. I think I might have a webinar next week once everybody gets through the first week and answer any other additional questions that you have that come up. Basically, we have moved to a new system called Daylight. It is the same as my courses, but what they've done is taken out a lot of the erroneous colors, links, pictures, and things that were making our My Courses look different on the mobile device. We have a lot of students who use their cell phones and their tablets to access their courses. This new Daylight makes using mobile devices a lot easier, and the materials are a lot clearer. It is also more compliant with ADA. So for folks that don't see colors, or colors are an issue for some folks, this Daylight program is much cleaner and much clearer. So bear with us. We are learning this as well. Basically, nothing has moved. We haven't put anything in any different place, so everything is still in the same place. It just looks a little different without all the colors and the borders. Okay, so bear with us. Basically, in the front page, you still have your news item. This is where I'll put any announcements. And then you want to look at the course content. For those of you who haven't used my courses before, you want to start at the top and work your way all through the course. So the best thing to do is start at the table of contents and go all the way to the end of the course. Take a run through the whole course before you get started. Just get yourself familiar. All the materials are here, and then all the modules are here as well. For this particular course, there are 6 modules. 4 of the modules deal directly with the 4 functions of management: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. You have a beginning, an introduction to management today, and then we end with a reflection. This is an 8-week course. Week 1 and 2 will cover Module 1. Module 2 is Week 3. Module 3 is Week 4. Module 4 is Week 5. Module 5 is Week 6. And then you have 2 weeks for Module 6, which includes your management project. It gives you time to get the management project in. So if you have any questions, let me know. But that's the logic behind the 6 modules. You have some work that is due this Sunday. I want you to complete the first assessment for me. That is going to come in your Mindtap. So for this course, you purchase a Mindtap code. There is no longer a physical textbook. You get the code. You either order it online from our bookstore or pick it up in one of our campus bookstores. And it's just a code on a card. And it's Mindtap Understanding Management. And it's not going to be the old-fashioned way of going into the Cengage and creating an account and putting in a course ID code. There is no course ID code. It's just going to link directly to our course. So let me run you through that. In Module 1, all you need to do is click on any Mindtap object. And I'm going to show you. The Mindtap objects are going to say Mindtap. They're going to have this external tool icon. Okay, so the first assignment that is due is the Chapter 1 self-assessment. I have that due on Sunday because I think you can finish that pretty quickly. You'll click on this, and when you click on this, it will take you to a screen that asks you for your access code. Did you purchase one online? Put that code in. Did you buy a card? Put that number in. That will show you then the Understanding Management. It'll have our course name on there, our course number, and you're good to go. Ready, and that's all you need. There's no course ID, no course code. You'll just be linked right to all of our material. Now, do not use Internet Explorer. You will not see any of the material. It will not work. The best browser is Chrome. If you're using a Mac, Safari is fine. but we have had some issues in Microsoft Explorer and in Firefox, so that's up to you. If you're having problems seeing an assignment or linking to an assignment, 9 times out of 10, it's the browser. Make sure that you enable the pop-ups so that you can use this as well. So turn the pop-up blocker off for that particular site when you get to that point. So let me take you to what it looks like when you get logged in. Click on the assignment and it will automatically direct you to the actual assignment. Here it comes up now. You'll see, are you ready to be a manager? And we'll do a bunch of these self-assessments. So have a good time with these and be completely honest with yourself. So here is the assignment. When you complete the assignment, you will submit it. But let me show you that you're actually, if we close this activity, now you are in Mindtap. Okay, on here on the side you've got the feed that gives you all the data and information that you might need. It's a news feed with news articles. Okay, you've got the full ebook here. You've got, this will show you your progress. Okay, you've got a study hub. You can have the speaker read to you. Okay, that's Cengage now. That's some homework. We don't use that particular part. But you do have then the dictionary also. So here are some tools that you can use. And basically there are no date managers. There's no dates in here now, but I will go ahead and put some dates in. You need to refer to my courses at all times. And I will actually put in some due dates in here. So then we're in here and just close down when you're ready to go back to the course. Anytime you come out of Mindtap, come back to the course, come back to your course content, click on another assignment. All of the assignments that we're going to use for this course are in my courses. They're in each module. Simply click on them. It will take you directly to that assignment. If you get confused, just click out of the Cengage window, the Mindtap window, and go back to my courses. So that's your first assignment. And then basically, like I said, if you start from the table of contents and work your way all the way down, everything is in order. You can also use the calendar. I have populated the calendar with all the due dates. This is good. So you can basically, here's all the events should be laid out for you. It might look like a lot of work, but some of the quizzes are shorter than the other ones. There's a couple of short mini simulations. Those are fun. Have fun with those. You have a couple of self-assessments, and you have a couple of writing assignments. So let me know if you have any additional questions, but I think you're in good shape if you can follow the calendar. Start with the table of contents. All of the material is in order from top to bottom. It'll also share your progress too, so as you complete items, it should move you forward. If you have any questions, let me know. If the Mindtap is still not working for you, send me an email. I'll send you instructions, or we can set up a call. I'm not on campus this summer, but I am available if we need to do a web call. I might do a webinar next week for students who might still be a little confused. So thank you very much, and have a great day.